Hello. Magandang hapon. Yeah.
Guys, Tagalog.
Kundi lang. I have a channel about living and enjoying life in the Philippines. I live here in Manila. So I have a channel and I post videos
You're a member YouTube channel.
Yes. So I will vlog you.
Ano?
Yes. It's so nice here and I like this natural life. Not luxury, just simple, but the food must be good, right? Always good. Okay.
Like
I'm already
okay.
Pasuk, right? Busuk. Okay, busuk. Busuk ako.
Ay, baka paper plate yung dalawa ha?
Okay, salamat ko. Whose birthday is it?
Birthday of
Birthday siyempre.
Your birthday?
No, no.
No. May ano, small.
7 years old. 7 years old.
Okay.
Come join us.
Mamaya.
Ay, respect Tagalog.
Very
good.
Yeah.
Sama ka sa amin.
His birthday.
His birthday.
Bong, say hello. Say hello.
Hello, happy birthday.
Thank you.
You are busy, right, with eating? He understands. When it's about food, he understands.
Okay.
He understands English.
Yeah. Joke lang.
Tagalog, understand, naintindihan.
Yeah, naiintindihan.
Speak Tagalog,
Yeah.
naintindihan. Understand.
Ako din naiintindihan.
Yes.
Jay, dumikit ka.
Yeah, sure.
Ate mga bata mo. Mga na lang natin sa YouTube channel niya.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a new friend.
Emma.
Okay.
Salamat. Oh.
Tabi ka sa kanya.
Yes. Ang kampaniyo.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ready, go.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Ayo, selfie ubas sa ulam.
See you later.